Cloudy fields in the hot summer sun. Over by the gate, Lordy, here she comes with a basket full of chicken and a big cold jug of sweet tea. Yeah. Well, I make a little room and she climbs on up. Open up the throttle and stir a little dust and look on her face. She ain't fooling me. No, she thinks my tractor's sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's going when we're tilling up the land. She's even gotten crazy about my farmer's tan. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks my tractor's sexy. We ride back and forth till we run out of line. Take it to the bar, put it up for the night. Climb up in the loft, set and talk with the radio on. She says she's got a dream and I ask what it is. She wants a little bitty farm and a yard full of kids. And one more teeny weeny ride before I take her home. She thinks my tractor's sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's going when we're tilling up the land. She's even kinda crazy about my farmer's tan. Is she the only one who really understands what gets me? She thinks my tractor's sexy. Well, she ain't into cars or pickup trucks, but if it runs off the gear, man, her eyes light up. She thinks my tractor's sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's going when we're tilling up the land. She's even kinda crazy about my farmer's tan. Is she the only one who really understands what gets me? She thinks my tractor's sexy. She thinks my tractor, she thinks my tractor sexy.